Welcome to a video by Abron. For this is battery eliminator or the power supply, you can say. This is on off switch. Here we have the selector switch to select the voltage, 2 volts, 4 volts. These are all DC output. Here we have the output DC plus and minus terminals are there. You can connect the wire or you can put it inside the wire in the wire, and these are not stabilized. There is another model with the stabilized. This one is 1 ampere, 2 ampere, 5 amperes, and we have got the higher power supply, and these are with a 500 milliamperes to 20 amperes. We have got the digital one where we have got both the ammeter and voltmeter with the DC output, 12 volts, 13 volt, 18 volt, 24 volts. All these digitals are available, even controllable. This is only a simple battery eliminator for the general laboratory uses for vibration experiments or sonometer and other physics experiments. Please, this is our website electronicsexperimet.com. Email is abron01@gmail.com. Another is info@electronicsexperimet.com. WhatsApp number is 9922222049. Another is 941602001. We export to a lot of countries and we sell in India. If we share the videos, like the video. Thank you.